welcome to my channel. So guys, another skin routine. This is another skincare video. Yes, you know the way I keep on giving you guys skincare videos or makeup videos. Yes. So guys, today we're going to be talking about Carotone cream, Carotone lotion. I'm going to be teaching you the best way to use it to achieve that flawless skin. Yes guys. So stay tuned, watch this video and you find out that the video is going to be helpful to you. Yeah. So guys, ensure you use your Carotone cream. Yeah, you know when you're using a lightening cream or any cream at all, ensure you use sunscreen to make you achieve that glow. Because if you go under the sun without sunscreen, even when the cream contains sunscreen, you don't really get that effect. So ensure you ensure you use sunscreen with your Carotone cream or lotion. Yeah, that's SPF. Yeah. Then another one, listen to this also is very, very important. Ensure you mix your Carotone cream or lotion with coconut oil. Coconut oil will make glow to add that effect. Because when you see some people like, wow, your skin is so nice. Add coconut oil. Then you can say add vitamin E oil, but that one is optional. Ensure coconut oil is inside and you'll see how your skin will turn flawless, beautiful, to glow. So guys, come to the end of this video. You know I do my videos, I don't talk too much, I just go straight to the point. Yes. So guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also drop comments. I want to know what you guys think about this video, and watch my other video to be helpful to you for your skincare journey. So guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.